What's up, people, and welcome back to Ivan's Alignments. Yeah, I know I've been gone for a while. We've been very busy over here. But anyways, everybody that has been subscribing, I just want to say thank you, and thank you very much. The reason I'm making another video is because I'm sick and tired of seeing the same mistake being made on these lure control arms, on these Subarus. They put them on the BRZs, the 86s. You get what I'm talking about. I'm gonna show you right now the common problem, the common mistake people make installing these arms. Here we go. So these actually are made by Superpro, right, people? Here we go. Rear adjustable lure control arms. SPC makes the same one. Whiteline makes the same one. Superpro makes the same one, as you see, right? So you're probably saying, well, Ivan, what is the issue, right? So I'm sure, hopefully you can see it as well as I could see it. You see the cam, this is a cam. This is a 19mm nut to bolt, right? It's an eccentric cam that goes obviously one side through the other. So right here, I'm gonna show you, right? There's a little lobe. I actually have an extra arm here, so I can show you a better picture of it. There's a little lobe right here. You see this little cutout, sticks out? There we go. So one of the biggest problems when people install them, where's that nut and bolt? I'm going to show you right now. Oh, look at this. Definitely talented, doing everything with one hand as I hold the camera. Well, there goes that now. Well, not too talented, missed on that one. So a lot of guys, right? I'm gonna say 70% of people, right, install this arm, right? So the biggest problem, Jesus, this shadow's killing me. All right, that's a little better. The biggest problem here is that guys, when they're installing them, they are putting the washer literally over. So when they put it over and they tighten it, now they'll push that tab in, right? So what happens, right? It's over the tab, you crush the life out of it because you tighten the life out of it, right? Which, I get it. You want to make sure it doesn't come loose, whatever the case may be. Just use torque specs, people. But even if you torque it, right, I'm going to show you what happens, what exactly happens. Chris, give me an 18mm wrench. I'll show you right now, guys. And do me a favor, Chris. Move that end. Let me see if I can get you guys a better picture. Go ahead, spin it. There, you see, we are, goddamn lighting, it sucks. There we go, that's better. We are over that little notch. So by being over that notch, that means you literally just damaged it. Camber's not gonna move. We are not gonna be able to adjust it. Now what's gonna happen? You're gonna call Superpro, you're gonna call Whiteline, you're gonna call SPC, and you're gonna have to get another arm. So guys, when you're installing it, right? I'm gonna tell you how you're gonna do it right now. Very easy. Grab the arm, you grab the cam, put it on a neutral position. Either, yeah, this lighting sucks. Maybe if I put it like this, okay. In a neutral position, guys. It's not hard to do. Just make sure, and let me light it up from here. Oh, I'm a mess today. Sorry guys, I haven't done this in a while. So what you want to do is make sure it's in there, either straight down. Well, you can't go up. You can't go sideways, right? Just straight down. That's how you want it. That's how you want to install it. Where it's not over it, it's not hitting up, straight down. And then just drive to your local alignment shop. Very simple, guys. So hopefully now you guys know how to install these arms and don't mess it up. Or you tell the guy who's installing it, which 90% of the guys that come here, they say my mechanic did it. Maybe you show him this video so he doesn't mess up your arm. You don't have to drive to your alignment shop and they're telling you, well, the arm is messed up. But anyways, guys, hopefully that helps a lot of you guys. It should. It should. Again, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget, like, comment. Have a good day.